Hello and welcome to Golden Life. I'm thrilled to have you here today for a video that could truly change the way you think about aging. If you're someone who wants to stay strong, active and independent well into your 70s, 80s and beyond, or if you're watching this for a loved one, this is for you. My name is Sarah, and here at Golden Life we're all about empowering you to live your best years with energy and confidence. Now, let's talk about something that affects millions of people as they age. Muscle loss, or what doctors call sarcopenia. It's a condition that can quietly rob you of your strength and independence, making everyday tasks like getting out of a chair or carrying groceries feel like a struggle. Did you know that by age 80, many people have lost nearly half the muscle mass they had in their younger years? That's a staggering thought, isn't it? But here's the good news, and trust me, it's life-changing good news. Sarcopenia doesn't have to be your story. Science shows us that with the right habits, you can slow down, or even reverse, age-related muscle loss. There are people in their 70s and 80s out there climbing mountains, playing tennis or dancing circles around folks half their age. What's their secret? That's what we're diving into today with 7 science-backed habits that can help you stay strong and independent for years to come. Before we get started, hit that like button if you're excited to learn something new. And don't forget to subscribe to Golden Life for more tips on thriving in your golden years. Oh, and let us know in the comments where you're watching from. I love hearing from our global community. All right, let's jump into habit number 1. Progressive strength training, the foundation of youthful strength. If there's one habit that stands head and shoulders above the rest, it's progressive strength training. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Strength training? At my age? Isn't that for bodybuilders? But hear me out, this isn't about bulking up like a gym bro. It's about keeping your muscles active and growing so you can live life on your terms. Research from the University of Colorado shows that regular strength training can increase muscle mass by up to 30% in seniors, even those starting in their 70s or 80s. That's right, your muscles don't care how old you are. They respond to challenge. The key here is progressive training, which means gradually increasing the effort over time. Here's how it works. Start with simple exercises like bodyweight squats, wall push-ups, or lifting light weights. Maybe even a couple of soup cans if you're new to this. The goal is to challenge your muscles just enough that the last few reps feel tough but doable. Over weeks, add a bit more weight, do an extra rep, or try a slightly harder move. This steady progression sends a signal to your muscles. Hey, we're not done yet. Take Emma, a 78-year-old Golden Life viewer from Oregon. She started with chair squats and now lifts dumbbells heavier than her grandkids' backpacks. Emma says she feels 20 years younger, and she's even started gardening again without pain. That's the power of progressive strength training. Pro tip: aim for 2 30-minute sessions a week, and if you're new, consider working with a trainer to get your form right. Safety first. Let's pause here. Have you tried strength training before, or is this new to you? Drop a comment below and let me know. Okay, on to habit number 2. Protect your muscle-nerve connection. Did you know that muscle strength isn't just about the muscles themselves? It's also about how well your brain talks to them. As we age, the connections between our nervous system and our muscles, called neuromuscular junctions, can start to weaken. It's like a phone line with static. The signal gets fuzzy, and your muscles don't respond as well. But here's the exciting part. You can strengthen those connections with specific activities. Studies from the University of Wisconsin found that exercises requiring coordination, like Tai Chi, dancing, or even playing ping pong, can improve these nerve muscle links by up to 25%. These activities force your brain to talk to your muscles in precise ways, keeping those pathways sharp. Another trick: mindful movement. Try this. Next time you're brushing your teeth, stand on one leg for a few seconds to challenge your balance. Or practice a simple breathing exercise called box breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 4, hold for 4. This calms your nervous system and boosts muscle activation. I'll share a quick story. My neighbor Tom is 82 and swears by his weekly ballroom dance class. He says it's not just fun, it's kept him steady on his feet and strong enough to carry his groceries up 3 flights of stairs. That's the kind of independence we're talking about. Action step: Try a coordination-based activity twice a week. Maybe a local yoga class or even a fun dance video at home. All right, let's keep going. Habit number 3, fuel your muscles with smart protein timing. You've probably heard that protein is important for muscles, and that's true. But it's not just how much you eat, it's when you eat it. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at using protein, a phenomenon called anabolic resistance. Spreading your protein intake throughout the day can make a huge difference. A study from the University of Illinois found that seniors who ate 20-30 grams of high-quality protein at each meal, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, built 20% more muscle over 3 months than those who ate most of their protein at dinner. Why? Because your muscles have a protein window every few hours where they're primed to grow. If you skip protein at breakfast, you're missing a chance to build strength. So, what's high-quality protein? Think eggs, Greek yogurt, chicken, fish, beans, or tofu. For breakfast, swap that toast for a veggie omelette or a smoothie with protein powder. At lunch and dinner, aim for a palm-sized portion of protein alongside colorful veggies. Here's a fun idea. Try a protein challenge this week. Plan 3 meals a day with 20-30 grams of protein each and see how you feel. Share your favorite protein-packed recipe in the comments. I could use some inspiration myself. Habit number 4. Power up with key nutrients. Muscles need more than just protein. They need the right micronutrients to thrive. Let's talk about 3 superstars: magnesium, vitamin D, and omega-3s. Magnesium. This mineral is like a spark plug for your muscles, helping them contract and recover. Over 60% of seniors are low in magnesium, which can lead to weakness and cramps. Foods like spinach, almonds, and dark chocolate are great sources, or consider a supplement like magnesium citrate. Check with your doctor first. Vitamin D. Often called the sunshine vitamin, vitamin D supports muscle growth and balance. A study from Boston University showed that seniors with optimal vitamin D levels had 20% better grip strength. Get some sun for 15 minutes a day, eat fatty fish, or talk to your doctor about a supplement. Aim for levels above 40 nmol. Omega-3s. Found in salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds, omega-3s reduce inflammation, which can slow muscle breakdown. Aim for 2 servings of fatty fish a week, or consider a fish oil supplement. I remember my Aunt Clara, who's 76, and still hikes every weekend. She swears by her daily smoothie with flax seeds and a vitamin D pill. It's her muscle fuel. What's your go-to nutrient-packed food? Let me know below. Habit number 5. Keep inflammation in check. Here's a term you might not know: inflammaging. It's chronic low-grade inflammation that creeps up as we age, and it's a major culprit in muscle loss. High inflammation levels can break down muscle faster than your body can rebuild it. The good news: you can fight inflammaging with simple habits. First, prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours in a dark, cool room. Poor sleep can spike inflammation by 30%, so treat it like medicine. Second, feed your gut with variety. Eat 25-30 different plant foods a week, like berries, broccoli, and lentils, plus fermented foods like yogurt or kimchi. These support a healthy gut, which keeps inflammation low. Third, sip on anti-inflammatory foods and drinks. Green tea, turmeric, and olive oil are like superheroes for your muscles. A study from the University of California found that seniors who regularly consumed omega-3s and polyphenols, like those in berries, had inflammation markers 25% lower than their peers. Try this. Swap 1 processed snack this week for a handful of blueberries or a turmeric-spiced soup. Small changes add up. Habit number 6. Embrace gentle stress for resilience. This one might sound a bit wild, but bear with me. A little stress can be good for your muscles. It's called hormetic stress, short bursts of challenge that make your body stronger, like a workout for your cells. Here are 3 ways to try it. Temperature play. End your shower with 30 seconds of cold water or spend 15 minutes in a sauna a few times a week. A Finnish study found that regular sauna users had 35% less muscle loss over a decade. Cold exposure boosts hormones that protect muscle tissue, while heat activates repair proteins. Time-restricted eating. Eat your meals within a 10-hour window, say 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. This gives your body a break to clean up damaged cells, boosting muscle health by up to 15%, according to research from the University of Southern California. Isometric bursts. Try pushing against a wall or holding a plank for 10 seconds at max effort, then rest. These quick, intense contractions wake up your muscles without joint strain. Start small, maybe one cold shower a week, and build from there. Your muscles will thank you. Habit number 7. Stay consistent with a growth mindset. The final habit isn't a single action, it's a mindset. The strongest seniors I've met, like 85-year-old Maria, who still swims laps daily, share one thing: they believe they can improve, and they stick with it. Consistency turns small habits into big results. Here's how to make it work. Track your progress. Keep a simple journal of your workouts, meals, or how you feel. Seeing your growth, like lifting a heavier weight or walking faster, keeps you motivated. Celebrate wins. Did you try a new protein recipe or finish a strength session? Pat yourself on the back. Small victories build momentum. Find your why. Why do you want to stay strong? Maybe it's to play with your grandkids or travel the world. Keep that reason front and center. Maria told me she pictures herself swimming with her great-grandkids every time she hits the pool. What's your why? Share it in the comments. I'd love to hear it. And there you have it. 7 science-backed habits to keep your muscles strong and your independence intact as you age. From strength training to smart nutrition to a growth mindset, these steps can transform your golden years into your strongest years. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. It helps us reach more people who want to live their best lives. Subscribe to Golden Life and hit the bell so you never miss a video. And don't forget to comment below. Which habit are you trying first? Or do you know someone like Emma or Maria who's defying age with strength? Let's inspire each other. Thanks for watching, and here's to thriving in your golden years. See you in the next video.